everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Ticketmaster account's password. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To change your password for Ticketmaster, open up a web browser of your choice. Type in www.ticketmaster.com into the search box and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your Ticketmaster account as well. And now click on the My Account button at the top right and click on Settings in the pop-up. Doing this will open up your account settings page. Scroll all the way down until you see the Update Password option and type in your new password you'd like to change to in the text box. After you are done creating a password that meets these criteria below, click on the Update Password button. Make sure to enter the one-time code or authentication code sent on your email or your mobile device registered with Ticketmaster and make sure to type in the code correct. Click on the Confirm button after you are done, and that is how you'll be able to update or change your password for Ticketmaster. Next time you try to log into your account, make sure to enter the new password that you just changed to. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.